Hey, are you trying to generate real high quality buyer leads for your business opportunity and you've looked at Udimi and you're looking at other places to generate leads, people that will actually buy what you have to offer? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow a business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over some of the results that I've had with this platform. This is a new platform that allows you to actually build and grow email lists very, very quickly, and the leads go directly into your email account. So they're not held in this system in any way. And whenever you generate leads, they actually go into your email where you can filter out the openers and clickers and have full control over it. That's what I like so much about this system is these leads that you see right here, this 599, I did not generate myself. They came from team production. So when your team generates leads, they build your email list, but then you also generate the lead as well, and the lead goes up 5 levels. So that way you build your list very, very quickly, and that's how it really works is lead sharing by your team, right? So they do a lot of the work for you. So instead of paying $1,000 for 600 leads or more, you would be able to leverage your team, and as they buy traffic or as they get traffic on Facebook or YouTube. I only use Facebook and YouTube to build this, and I'm number 2 on the leaderboard, and Mac Mills is number 1. Mac Mills is on our team. So basically that's how it works, right? So I use Facebook and YouTube to be able to generate my leads, and I have a team of people who are helping me to build an email list by using this platform. And I'm going to show you some results up here. I have 27 direct referrals, 30 free members, and 11 who are actually getting results. So out of those 27 people, 11 are getting results. So that's almost a 50% conversion rate. So that's very, very high. So if you would like to get started in using this platform, all you got to do is, click the link below this video. You could get started for free, sign up for a free account, and when you sign up for a free account, you'll be put into our chat group, right? You could write me on Facebook, and I'll put you into our chat group. And here's the page you'll come to, and that's below this video. This has my business partner Matt on here. He did the VSL for this for our team funnel. This is our team funnel that we use, and we help people to be able to generate results with this funnel, and it's been converting very, very high. So that's why I'm using it, right? So you just click on this button right here, and you could sign up with me, and it codes to me, right? So you want to make sure the affiliate referral says my name, and you'll be in under me, and whenever you come in, we'll put you into the viral lead system chat group that we have. So click on the link below this video and get started today. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can leave them below this video as well. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any time that I upload new videos. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.